my YouTube channel. I'm your host, Mzjwan Oppong. So today I'm going to talk to you guys about contouring, okay? And as you can see, I've already done my highlights under my eyes and I've already highlighted my nose. I'm not going to highlight my forehead and my chin because it's not really an issue here today. But moving on straight ahead, I'm going to use this C10 shade from the L'Oreal True Match. I'm going to use that, and I'm going to use my kabuki brush from Colorbox Cosmetics. So to contour, you mostly start from the middle part of your ear, bring it right down to this side, but you're not supposed to bring the contour right down to the tip of the beginning of your lips, okay? You're supposed to be halfway through. Okay, that's what it's supposed to be. So let's say that this part of your face, right on top of your cheeks actually. Okay, so that's what it's supposed to be. And to contour your nose too, I'll show you that. So I'm going to go ahead and dip into the shade right here. You need just a little bit amount to contour. So as you can see, I've started this new technique of not drawing the line before I contour because I realized that it leaves a demarcation there which is not pretty at all. And contouring is supposed to give your face some hips. If your face is lacking some hips, it's supposed to give your face some lips or a boost or just give you a cheekbone. Okay, so that's what contour is supposed to do. Okay, so I've done this part of my face. I'm doing the other part too.
About the great escape. No other girl can do the things you do.
And you bring it to the top part of your forehead as well. So I hope you can see that my face is contoured now. Okay, and it all just stopped right here. Just right there. Just stop from. You can use this from the top part of your ear to the lobe over there. You can use that part to just bring it down, and as you are coming down, you are chiseling it down, okay, because this part is supposed to be the highlighted. If you have a rounded face like mine, you want your contour to be much more than your highlighted area, so this whole part is my contour. And if you have a smaller face, you want your highlight to be wider than your contour, so you do, you know, vice versa. That's what you do. And then to contour my nose, I'm going to use a smaller brush, a smaller fluffy shader brush. I'm going to dip into it, into the contour, and then just start drawing and connecting it to my brow, the beginning of my brow.
There's no crime, no crime, no crime. Tell your friends that you love me, no crime.
I've kept this concealer on for a longer time, so I'm going to just use the same brush to blend it out. So now the next step to do is to powder our face. So I'm going to set my face. I'm going to set my concealed areas with my setting powder. Going in with this shade right here. So I'm picking it and I'm just dotting it. Way you can see that my contour is here and then my highlighted area is over there, so you can see the demarcation. Same shade with the same brush, and I'm going to go down I'm just going to follow it down the bridge of my nose and into my eyebrow. I don't think you can see it, so I'm going to go in with this shade right here. Yes, now you can see some color. Because I have a rounded face, I'm placing the blush on top of my cheekbones, dragging it into the contour as I go. Going on to highlighting, and I'm still going to use this brush here. Going on to highlighting, I'm going to use the champagne shade from the Yoshè palette. I'm going to use the side as usual, dust it off. And now you see my little bit more has become a lot more. But yeah, that's it. So you can see the highlighter, you can see the blush peeking through, and you can see my contour.
Friend that you love me, no cry, no cry, no cry.
To set all of this in, I'm using my Loox Organics Hydrating Rose Water.
Follow me to Abuja, no cry, no cry.
Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope everything was very much insightful and you enjoyed every bit of it. Thank you guys so much for staying with me. I'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and comment down in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
No other girl can do the things you